Can you say Jesus?
Yeah.
Jesus.
Yeah.
Good job.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Jesus?
Yeah.
Jesus loves you? Can you say Price? Can you say Nana?
Nana.
Can you say Papa?
Papa.
Can you say Daddy Gran?
Daddy.
Can you say Granny?
Dad.
Granny.
Dad.
Have I lost your attention?
Dad.
Yeah.
Dad.
You see their picture?
Dad.
Yeah.
Nana.
Up there's Nana. And Daddy Gran.
Dad.
Yeah.
Sweet.
Yeah.
Dad.
Do you love them so much?
Dad.
That's a picture of Nana and Daddy Gran. Yeah. Okay, say bye-bye now. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Dad,